Welcome everybody to a new day, a new stream. And here we go. And here we got Martin himself with a nice song to start it all.
And we got Alfons today.
Hey!
Yay! We got rid of that Hannes guy.
No. Just for a brief moment. Don't you worry, guys.
Good riddance.
No.
I love when having, like, I have a rule every time I have a 3-part telephone conversation, like when you add a third party to the call. When a third one leaves, I always have to say good riddance. So no, we're missing Hannes. Hannes is doing other stuff today, but I'm super happy to have Alfons, producer Alfons, here to take care of chat today, and I'm going to do some real work today. With improving the design requirements. And I'm pissed off, Alphonse. I'm pissed off. I want to get work done. I'm pissed off with the video we made yesterday. I've been preaching to Hannes and Alphonse about value proposition. And yesterday I completely missed what the value proposition was with yesterday's videos. I should have shared all the in-depth lessons that I've learned with everyone. And instead I made like an emotional hype piece. As I'm pissed off, I was pissed off. I even apologized for the video in the pinned comment, which I never do. So I want to take revenge today by doing good work with improving the design requirements. So yeah.
Okay, I see.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get right into it. Everything is working. The stream is running.
The stream is looking good, I would say. Yes. We are here. I am looking at every source right now, and we got some comments coming in on Twitch. Yes, and let's see that. Yeah, looking good on YouTube as well.
Nice.
On X.
Perfect. So let's get into it. The real work with the design requirements is going to go into every little requirement and make them good. The machine shall include a vibraphone phone. It's a good design requirement, a high system level requirement. I have a lot of bad requirements in here, so I want to do that actual work. But I want to start today with something that will smell procrastination, but I hope it's not. I want to do some spreadsheet formatting first, because I think I'm a visual person, and I think the spreadsheet should tell us automatically where we need to do work, and I have some ideas for that. So I'm going to do some formatting. First of all, this tree numbering system. Derek warned me a little bit about this. This can be bulky to start numbering stuff when you are going to change a lot of stuff. So I'm going to start by removing the tree numbering system from the design requirements. I'm going to keep it on the headers, these colored headers here, but I'm not going to have requirement identification numbers at this early stage. So this number goes away. Let's hunt for some more. I actually didn't include them in most of the stuff. And also we're gonna start with the systems level requirements, systems level tab here. So okay, that's already done. We already completed our first task.
Nice.
And then I think I have some automation that I think is pretty fun. I think we can try to set up so this priority column is automated with the priority words that I learned: may, should, or shall. So let me see if I can just insert a drop down here with those 3 options. Shall, should.
I believe we got a echo going on. The chat is saying right now.
On both of us, or...
Sorry, chat, for being a bit slow here with your comments, but now I see you all. But okay, is the echo on everything? There is an echo.
Wait, I see something here. Sorry for that. Thanks for informing us.
Normally there is a 20 seconds delay. Both of you.
I'm trying to remove some other mix buses here. That's not out anywhere. 5. Wait, this looks wrong.
And it can't be coming from my end in some way.
Do. Do you have audio on in Teams?
Let's check it out.
Wait. I think it's... No sound at all now.
We will soon be running again. Thank you for your patience. Some difficulties is...
I'm gonna listen to the stream. Talk a little bit, Alfons.
Yes, I will keep on talking, and it's nervous to be here in this big old fancy room. And
yeah, I can hear it. I can hear it.
Still echoing.
Yeah, I hear it when I listen to the stream.
Everything is muted from my side.
No, I recognize it. It's definitely on my side.
Okay.
It's one of the channels.
We can pretend we are in a cave for a short moment here with the chat. With a chat echo. Okay. Let's see if we can get it fixed.
I'm just gonna do something here. And another preset here. And I'm going to listen to that stream. Check. It's still there. It sounds horrible. I bet Hannes was hoping for this, don't you think?
Yes. He's right there now. Yes. You can't do it without me.
It's because we're in my speakers. You're in my speakers. I'm gonna remove that, but that's not the issue, I don't think. I have so many layers of different audio mixers to try to get this working.
I see.
Well, Ludwig is trying to be of assistance. I don't think so. I don't think so. Oh, don't change that view.
We're not getting any signals there.
Yes. The echo is there.
Okay, so it goes into the main channel.
Because when I stop this, hang on. Can you put on screen audio issues?
Yes.
It's probably fixing audio issues.
Let's try to do that.
It's probably a late April Fool's joke by Hannes. Yeah, it might be in the streaming PC somehow. Because I don't see it in here.
If you open ATEM software.
It worked for a second, they say. Not anymore.
They say I fixed it temporarily. Check. Yeah, I think. Oh, it's the old OBS one.
They think it's okay now.
I think
It's okay now.
Yeah, I think it's the. Sorry for this, everyone. Is it good now?
Looks like we are back. Is it too early
Thank you,
to
Ludwig.
say it?
Good morning, Ludwig.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sorted. It fixed.
Good luck with the PUBG stream.
Wow. Okay.
It's all good now. Thanks everyone for your patience.
Thank
It's some button. Okay, I should give. Can you add a task on my task list, Alfons, to because this has happened twice now, to learn why that switch is flipping.
Okay. I will put it on the list.
Yeah. I don't want to overstay my welcome on our already very patient, fantastic chat audience here. So, all right, I'm going to go back to this optimization that I'm trying to do. I'm going to turn off Alphonse just when I'm working on that part of the screen here.
Yes.
I hope that I can automate this drop-down list. So now we have the drop-down list, but I want to program so this is filled, a conditional formatting, if it's fine the word shall here, or should, or may. I never did that actually, so we're gonna see if we can add a rule, not like that. Remove rule. Oh no. Okay. So let's see how I do that actually. This is something that I perhaps should have checked before. I'm gonna ask Gemini inside this tab. So I want to conditional format a cell with a drop-down alternative selector with keywords from another cell. How? Custom formula, data validation dropdown with a custom formula. Here's a general, the cell needs a drop, the cell that will, needs a drop down that I've done. Under criteria, select list of items. Use list from a range and point it to a specific list of keywords in your sheet. Custom formula, select a range of cells. Is this more complicated? So I really want this to be automated. It's probably a little bit stupid. Let's see if I have criteria. Drop down from a range. Wait, drop down from a range. And then we're gonna pick the cell next to it. Advanced options. I understand if people are going to criticize me for spending time on this.
No, but this has to be done.
It doesn't have to be done. It's just something that helps me.
I really want to try out if I can handle this chat and show it to the audience. So I just make a small try here. When I saw a person in the chat that we recognize. Who is this man? Is it the famous Hannes? I believe so. And he would never let echo happen.
Of course not.
No.
Of course not.
No. This is all on us, Hannes. And who is this Alfons guy? Is he trying to take Hannes' job? Perhaps Hannes.
Okay, I'm gonna leave another thing. Okay, now I actually want to learn how to do that. Let's ask an oracle. I should switch to Claude. We're using Claude for coding tools.
Yes.
And Alfons says that Claude is so we have a good version of Claude in the team. So I should switch to Claude, but I don't have that set up now. I'm gonna try it next stream. Can you give me a task to switch to Claude?
Yes, with pleasure.
I want to have a drop-down selector cell be automatically selected through keywords in another cell in Google Sheets. How? Simple formula-based regex match. That was the same that Gemini said. Column A has the text. Column B has the drop-down data validation list. In a helper column, I need a third column. Put a formula that decides the category. Set data validation. To make, you can't directly put a formula in. This was more difficult than I thought. If it also has, you can't, okay, it's because you can't, I understand now. It will break the drop down. Solution, use the helper in C, then either manually copy paste, use a simple script. What? No. I know that Alfons is doing scripts. This wasn't as straightforward as I thought.
No. What do you want to do?
Right yeah, now? It's. I think I'm gonna leave that for now.
Okay.
Yeah, it was. I thought it was like a very simple. It was a very simple
task to be done.
Yeah, I think that was a very simple thing in Google Sheets. So I'm not going to do that. Instead, let's get to the real work then. I'm going to do my fun spreadsheet automation tasks off stream, I think, because it smells too much procrastination. Okay, so now I need to, like, I had one thing that I had one another thing that I can't let go of, and I think I should use this code XX for something that I need to go in define later, and I think that should be a really good one to automate. So I think format cells rules if the text contains XX. Can I do a comma and do XX as well? No. Then that cell gives a color. Because then we know all cells with when I know there's a performance requirement here. Plays time music like I haven't decided on this 3 milliseconds constraint. I hit XX, and that cell should then light up. I haven't copied the formatting to that cell yet. So if how do I just add this formula to all cells? Can I copy the rule? Can I paste only the conditional format? Paste special. Conditional formatting only. Haha. Boom. Nice. So now I'm going to paste this on the entire column. Copy. On this whole column, I want to paste special. Conditional formatting only. it respects the colors, and now I think we have some magic. Now I did something good, Alfons, because look here.
Okay.
The programming the programming wheel should provide highly granular programming timing. This is bad with the resolution of, and here I put 5 milliseconds. We're not going to have that because I haven't thought about this value. I changed it to X6 and then the cell goes orange, which means that I need to later visit all these cells and go in and say, oh, it's going to be done in 90 minutes with a 4-person team. Then I resolve the orange. See?
Okay.
So that's
You're sorting it out.
Yeah, I think that's nice. Perhaps you want to do that script for the. You want to work on that with Claude during the stream, or do you want to take care of chat? Better you take care of chat probably.
We can start with chat, yes. If we get super much coding feeling, let's do that.
Yeah. So yeah. Writing stuff down in this document is not going to build the machine. Actually thinking about what I write down and make it and abide to it will. So that's something that I should have said in the video yesterday, that I didn't. But
don't you worry about the video. It was really fun to see that side as well, and we will just move on and get better stuff done all the time now. So
thank you, Alfons.
Don't you worry.
Thank you. I would tune out for my YouTube channel that released videos like that. So
no, it was nice seeing.
Okay.
Yes.
I don't know. I'm obsessing.
Super cozy with your music implements and everything, and nice explanation. So, but I understand you still with the points in the videos and.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
So just to say a little homework for chat, because I got a lot of help here. What I wanted to do that I couldn't was, if you see in this here, the word shall is here. The machine shall play music in this requirement. I want that word to automatically drive the choice of this drop down, to then automatically choose shall. The music shall play automatically. And then if I change this to maze, I want this drop down to look at this cell, trying to find shall, may, or should, and then do the priority automatically for me. So that's the very simple task that I thought would be straightforward. That proved to not be. All right. Let's get on with some more important but less fun stuff.
What is it that you want to get done right now?
I think I have a linear to-do list in my brain with this, and it's that I need to leave behind this document, which is the 65-page document that I wrote like a year ago or 2 years ago. I spent a lot of work in here, and I think I have to capture the value of this document and put it into our new document. We already put some stuff from this with an LLM into our document that I went through manually, but it turned out it didn't take everything. So I want to go through this document and take manually and take everything of value and put it into our new document. And then at that point, every piece of information that I've been working with during the years is in here. Then we can start to refine it and clean it up and improve it. So let's do this from the beginning. I think this one is already in the beginning. No, it's not. So let's take that one. It's the why. The Wintergatan Machine is an art project, so this is super high level, like artistic stuff. This is not really the. This is still not really getting to the meat of design requirements. I haven't really gotten to that point yet. which is a shame. I should paste with shift. Nice. Okay, let's do this. Let's go through the entire thing. The machine is reliable, safe, transportable, profitable, mechanical. So, I think these are very important stuff, and I think we got most of it in already. Reliable. I think we have that on systems. Be safe, be reliable. Let's just do fast so we know we capture the value. Financially feasible. This is not good, but we're gonna fix it later. I've said that for 6 streams now, 5 streams. It's fine. Let's make it exist first. Transportable, safe, reliable. All this is bad. All this is bad. Reliable is already there. Transportable. Let's put it in and move on.
Good.
No electricity for the main function. I think we have that. And this is under the wrong. This is under the wrong. It should be under the transportation category, but we're gonna fix that later as well. We fix it in the mix is an old music joke. That part. Okay, so music goes play tighter, better sounding. We don't switch between songs. We have that already. Program music on the machine itself in an iterative fashion. We're not going to have that design requirement. We're making it a little bit easier. Play dynamically, we have that. Tight, we have that. I took that already. The machine can play any timing resolution, allowing strokes to be on and off any timing grid lines. That's a really, really, really important one.
Mm-hmm.
Which is as a system level. I think I had something about granular, but let's add this into the
to the list.
Yes, I pasted with the wrong. I need to copy this again.
All right. Do you know when you how do you know that you are done with these like lists and everything that you have to write down and focus on now with step 1?
Yeah, it's a good question. I don't really think you do know, but it's going to be iterative. You're gonna revise it later. There, I finally managed to copy that.
But it needs to feel like, okay, now we can move on, and this feels stable. And
yeah, and also like this is a huge task because I'm defining the entire problem. So, and I'm basically just learning now. I'm in the very beginning of this process, unfortunately, but probably like you're never really done with it.
No, but it's really good to put time on it and really take this one step at a time.
Yeah, start from the beginning of the to-do list. Here I have a requirement that I'm gonna put as a Martin user story requirement, which is the limitations of the machine are just right, so that it sparks creativity, blah, 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 blah. It's a versatile, expressive instrument. It's not these are really like my artistic fantasies kind of that I started this. So they are very vague now. We have video goals. I think I'm going to add something about video just to say that we need to spend time on video. The project shall be documented in videos. I'm just going to leave it like that, high level, and then not go into details. Touring, blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. I just blah, blah, blah. I don't need a lot of fluff about touring. Personal goals, manage stress levels. It's not really... I'm going to try to be more technical. I'm going to leave the stress levels. The machine is so reliable, I can enjoy working with it instead of worrying about it. That's a good one. Because that's actually... I'm failing with the copy-paste here, Alfons.
No worries. No one's watching.
Good.
Yes, there are people watching, and I am trying to read the chat all the time, guys, to get your points and everything, and I will get better and better at this now to pinpoint your comments too. So it's nice to see you all in chat. So thank you for being here.
Okay, the text here is black. Let me just change all the text in this document to white. See if my copy-paste is going to be a little bit better. This was not now hard to read. It's because I have the dark reader on. It messes up all the colors. So it did paste the text color. What is happening here? Okay, so then when I miss the formatting, okay, I see what is happening. Let's delete that formatted line. This is not really easy to read for people. I see it. I don't think it's so nice on stream. But it worked before, so let's see if I can. Yeah, this is messy.
No worries. I try to get some comments showing while you're trying to get
I'm gonna do it in... Yeah, thanks. I'm gonna do it in black here.
Look at this. It's working. Nathan, he's saying all these points have been missing in the last machine, but were needed. Yes, and he's completely right.
It's true. The marble machine milestones, design process, planning phase. I'm going to leave that out. These are good work I did. I think it's another document. So I'm going to leave all this. Yeah, we have from my memeplex. I think the way he does it now is good because it will put the goals in his mind again. Yeah. Shortening, and this is interesting actually, shortening the iteration cycles to work in a technique where we can fail fast. A text document is the best example of that. Before I iterating on the machine by building it. So I'm actually on the easiest, the fastest way to iterate. I can say, we're going to have a vibraphone. No, we're not going to have a vibraphone. It took me 2 seconds to iterate on the machine. So we're doing all this. Here's the design sequence. All this is not, it doesn't belong to my requirement documents. It's good work I did. I'm going to save it for another document. Detail design, all this is great work, but it's not, I shouldn't include it. Okay. Now then, stakeholders and user stories. These are super important because the high-level user needs is then giving rise to the high-level system functional requirements that give rise to the performance requirements that give rise to the parts. So now we are at the safety person. Let's just take this text and see if I can just put it in under safety person. All right, we got it. A lot of user needs from the safety person. We have Martin, the composer, having a lot of needs here. I want cymbals, right, plus crash. I want an music carousel with 4 slots. Martin, the composer, has a lot of needs. I'm just pasting it in. Martin, composer. So we got it here. All right. As a headphone music fan, I want to hear new great music from Wintergatan. It's interesting, when you think about different users, because someone who just want me to make a new song, they are super happy if I take the simplest route at all times in this project to get to the music. So it's an interesting exercise. Headphone music fan. Then I need to clean all this up, but it's I don't want to sit in 2 documents. I just want everything in the one fantastic document.
Everything in one.
You haven't seen anyone cracking the automation of the drop-down menu yet?
Ooh,
So I thought they wanted to crack that immediately. They like to crack that.
I'm sure they have cracked it. It might be me that haven't seen it. Let's see if I can find a comment about it.
I have a super good example here that I've been thinking about. Here's a user story. As the Wintergatan band member, I want a machine to have a click track, a mechanical metronome that I can play in sync to when instruments are muted, and also know where the machine is in the timing period so that I know when to start, stop, play. And the fun thing with this is that I'm going to rewrite this now into, of course, this is a user story, but I can rewrite it into a system level design requirement. And this is actually a super good reminder, because when you play live, if you want to sync to the machine and the machine isn't playing anything, you won't know where the machine is. So this one, especially, I wanted to demonstrate my understanding for what design requirements should do. So this is the drummer who asks for a click track. If we then go to system level, what it must do, I think we can say the machine shall communicate to musicians, shall communicate clearly should to musicians where in the music loop it is playing and in what tempo it is playing. So that's actually this is actually 2 ideas. Good requirements should be granular. So we're going to divide this into 2 system level requirements. And in what tempo it is playing. And see here, I'm not saying that it should have a metronome, because that's how. The machine shall inform musicians in what tempo it is playing. Somehow, musicians should know what tempo it is playing. The machine shall inform musicians where in the music loop it is playing. So okay, if we put the inform musicians of the tempo it is playing, that's like a click, like that. But if it's only as a click, I don't know if it's bar 16 or bar 32, but if it does sometimes, I know. That signal is bar 1. That's bar 2. So signals in the click.
Okay.
So here we have my understanding. This is the drummer asking for a feature to be able to play well in the user story, and in the tab next to it, that then comes up as a systems level functional requirement. And much further down the road in the detailed, we're going to say, oh, we need a click track. But that's how, that's not why.
I see.
What
Okay.
I mean. So,
many things to consider.
I want to make a lot of money touring with the machine to feed my family. That's a good one. Yeah. Many things to consider, indeed. Okay, so there is actually value in this old document. The concert music fan. Can I just copy all this? Yes, I can actually copy all this, I think.
Oh, prosit, bless you.
Thank you. Let me try to copy this.
But
to
for
the user
for
stories.
mortal man, can you explain? Is this comments now from the public, or who have been writing these?
I've been writing them. So I've been in a real process. You actually do service. You go out and ask people for their needs of a product. You do a lot of investigations before complicated. Like if you're gonna make a train tracks through a city, you do years of research to get the user stories before writing the requirements. I have kind of, I want to add these, just the users, so I remember them. Head designer. And I don't have to go deep into all these now because we have to start with the most important stuff, which is actually tab 4, the system level requirement. But for the sanity of my head, I want to leave this document behind me and then just be in one document. Now we come to something fun, the epic user stories, which I'm just going to copy right off because I really spent a lot of time in here, and there's a good amount of value in here. So we're gonna have a really tough work extracting all this value. So now I'm just copying it. It goes on and on and on. Best case, worst case for epic user stories. Head of marble machine transport, epic best case. It's like a health, like you picture. So I can just give it as an example here. The head of marble machine transport, epic worst case. This is a real method in design requirements to write epics. And it's sound like this. Goal. As the head of a marble machine transport, I want the marble machine to be easy to transport and to be non-sensitive to vibrations, humidity, cold temperatures, hot temperatures, and other unforeseen challenges. I want the machine to behave in a predictable way during this assembly, transport, and reassembly. I don't want any surprises along the way. I want everything to be smooth and on time. Worst case user story. The machine was super heavy. It took up so many trucks, it became super expensive. I got damaged during each transport. And it got damaged during each transport. Had to repair it at each venue, losing soundcheck time. The modules were fragile, long thin parts sticking out made them vulnerable during handling. The music wasn't so popular, so they couldn't afford to pay me a lot. I got free drinks every night, so I accepted, but I wasn't happy about it.
Oh no!
No, you can hear that. We want to avoid this situation in the future.
What a nightmare.
So, user stories. Here's thinking perhaps I should make another tab with all these. the epic user stories. I'm going to rename this to epics because this is 3B, I think. 3B epics. And let's do text wrapping on column B that I learned from chat. So good.
Look who's here. Is this my good old nemesis, Martin?
Yes, this is
always is messing around with me and all the backers. All right, Martin, I like you. I like you.
Martin is saying Martin's like Daft Punk, so we added a click. That's the Georgia Marauder song.
Yes, so
I know.
Added a click.
I know I had something, so we added a click.
Really nice one with a fine donation as well. So thank you, Martin.
How's that sound? What's the? Can you sing that? Can you sing that song?
Oh. Nice one. It's so fast.
And then it's a good one.
Wow! Oh,
So-
nice! Oh,
it's a good
nice! Thank you for that one.
If you give cool music references, I'll try to play the songs without derailing the stream too much. Boom. Let's go here. So let's see if we have some more epics to include. We do have some more epics. I can just hit shift by the end, perhaps. I've wrote a lot of these here. Okay. Boom, copy this. Here. It feels great to get rid of this old document.
Yeah.
Actually.
Can I hear you? It's good that everything is in one place. Important.
So here's like product requirements. What is the product supposed to do? It's such a mess here, but there's probably good thoughts in here.
Mm-hmm.
Safety requirements, durability, blah 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 requirements, functional requirements. Okay, I'm going to copy this. I'm just gonna take all this.
Okay.
And get it into our document. We have a lot, and then when I feel
going through it now.
I'll need to go through it, but I don't. It's so much. So I guess we need to start. I'm afraid we need to start another sketch tab. Let's just do a sketch tab here. Plus rename previous. I'm just going to get it in here. Boom. Probably I should clean this up off stream so that people don't think that I'm crazy.
Do you think so? Well,
show green lines. You're doing well, Alfons, by the way.
You think so?
Yes,
You think so?
yes,
It's a big shoes.
Yeah,
big shoes for this Hannes guy have made here. But yeah, it's fun to be here with you as well. It's nice. and I'm getting into it. I try to read the chat, and it's nice that you are here.
Okay, I'm resolving to just copy the entire document in. All this is kind of a lot of fluff. Okay, I think this is the end of it. Then we can do some extreme spring cleaning.
Okay, so you're going through it all and getting it into one.
Yeah, I think I'm
document.
done actually. I think here's
Okay.
some to do. Here's some to do. Drums available, blah blah blah. Nice.
What's
There was
the plan after that? What do you want to get done?
oh, you want to write
No, I don't need to. I
Mm.
just want to know how you think with progress and everything do you want to do now after
Yeah.
this?
I'm not really done yet, so I don't know yet.
But start with that.
Yes.
Sorry.
I think this design process stuff I should take as well, because we did a lot of thinking here, the design sequence. That's actually the official to-do list. We did a lot of thinking. This is really good stuff that I painstakingly learned. So let's do a tab, which is actually really good. It's actually the process tab. So a new tab, rename, process. Some of this should be should probably not be in a spreadsheet. Should probably be in a text document.
Okay, now I think Thomas got something for you. Just posted the script on Discord General.
Oh, fantastic. Wow.
So
thank you, Jimmy. That's going to be fantastic fun.
Sorry.
So you solved it. Wow. Alfons, are you a member of that Discord?
I don't believe I am. So we haven't been using it right now for the moment so much, but
Jimmy, are you can you email it or can you post a link in chat? Can you send it to us? Because I think in some other forum that Alfons already have access to.
That would be great if it's not too much of a hustle.
management@wintergatan.net.
Yes, that would be amazing. Otherwise, I try to.
Is it the engineering Discord or is it the old community Discord?
Discord General, he says, but let's see if I can. Super nice if you are able to mail it to me, Jimmy. That would be awesome.
So we have some new tabs here. We have to update our index. So I learned from the chat, Command K, and then I can choose them here. And it's perfect. I want to rename this 3B. Apply. Rename this.
Right.
I can't stand how that looks. I'm going to procrastinate here.
Let's see. that?
Epic user stories. Apply. Okay, so we have the new tabs. I'm going to... Can I move them around in here? No, I can't. That's just a navigation. Previous process. Perhaps the process should be earlier.
Now Jimmy said that it's emailed.
Oh, thank you, Jimmy.
Thank you
It's
so much.
exciting. We're going to try to implement it now. I'm going to try to implement it right away.
I'll get it for you. Or do you get it? No, I can help you.
So I need to run it. It's just a text.
Yes.
Nice. Very exciting. It's fun to learn those things as well. Insert one row below, and we're going to do the same thing. Command K, sheets and named ranges, process, boom. I'm gonna insert a couple of rows below, and then we're going to also do the previous. Yes.
How can I get the link to you in the best way, Martin?
What kind? On WhatsApp?
Okay.
Okay, so I'm procrastinating a bit, but I want this document to be more visual. So I did one conditional formatting thing here with the orange. Any cell that has XX in it turns orange, because I don't want to give a value that is like millisecond constraint for something. So when I do more detailed design requirements, instead of saying like it should be 5 seconds, blah, 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 I'm going to say XX. And then we get this nice orange. And then we can work with removing all the orange. But the thing that Jimmy has helped us with is to automate these priority column. Shall, should, may. I want to get that from this, from the requirement. If it says shall here, I want this to say shall automatically. So did you send it?
Yes, I sent
Right,
it to you now.
Okay. So this is also fun. So I'm learning to use a script. Paste bin. Easier. So what do I do with this? I'm going to just go to this screen. What do I do with this?
As I said in chat, easier if I'm added as editor on docs to modify it later, but only if you prefer. Okay.
Yeah, we could add people as editors. I think in the beginning now I need to just that will be fantastic, but it's also good for me to learn. So what do I do with this? I copy all this text.
Oh yeah, that looks like a script. Yeah.
Or do I download it, or is it just? I guess this. I never did a script in a spreadsheet.
Me neither. Or wait. Let's see. Maybe I know.
Download as a text file. Download. Okay, JavaScript. Script for mmxdr.javascript. I have it downloaded.
Yeah. He says.
So, I guess.
Extensions, JavaScript, app script.
Extensions. Okay, we're here. Extensions, app scripts. Here. I just do this. I don't know what I have on my computer. So when I get files, I like to just switch to this screen.
And then copy and paste in new window, Jimmy says.
Copy, paste. Okay, I'm gonna show. So now we're on an untitled project. Also, then I probably should. I'm gonna see if I can just drop the JavaScript file onto this window here. I go to downloads. I have the JavaScript. I'm trying to drop it on the window. That didn't work because that.
I believe. Could you copy all the text and copy paste it into the?
Yeah, I think that's better. This didn't work at all.
Let's see if we get it working.
Yeah. This is super fun to learn. Sorry for not being fast with it.
Nice. See, Jimmy.
Extremely nice. So
it will open a new window, copy the code in, save and press run. It will add a menu in the dock next to help.
It's a lot of code for such a simple thing. So I guess it's here then. Untitled project. We're going to put it auto drop down. I'm gonna call it that. Rename. And I'm scared of where I.
Yeah, is this connected to the whole document right now if you paste it here?
So there are some lines of codes here that I don't know. I don't know where I should paste it. Probably I see that when I paste it. If I paste it in the wrong place. There's a function already here. Perhaps I need to add this, or perhaps that was already in there. Delete that thing. Yeah, that was already closed. So I think this looks good. Deploy this project.
Are you sure now?
No.
Here,
new deployment.
Plex says there is more that Jim script does. I hope Martin don't get scared.
Okay, yeah, it's good. I'm just installing someone's code. It's like what you shouldn't do. Normalize all numeric IDs. Ooh, that's fantastic. Okay, cool. Oh, you have the tree automatically. Nice, Jimmy. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom. Okay, let's before deploying. Menu actions. Oh, it's colors for the nice. I wonder if I can set the colors then.
Remove current text and replace it.
So then the tree is automatic. Okay, we should perhaps do this. Is this for the drop down even? Okay, it's test deployments. Okay, perhaps I should try this then on another. Okay, this was a little bit more than. This is probably great. I'm a little bit hesitant in just I can probably, but I don't know how these kind of things work. So I can probably redo, but we should test it on another. I think we should test it on a test document. So I'm going to do a new spreadsheet.
Good, yeah. What it does.
Yeah.
Drop down code is up there.
Start a blank test. We'll see. So I'm in a test spreadsheet now, and we're going to go extensions, app scripts. Jimmy's script. Rename.
Ardhood is saying, programming stream? Hell yeah!
This is our effort in trying to. The good thing here is that I'm learning how to do this. Let's deploy this.
Yes.
New deployment.
This will help a lot.
Please select a deployment type. Select type.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, add-on, I guess it is. It's not a web app, right? It's an add-on.
Yeah, it should pop up next to help in the column, you know, where you put
Yeah.
task lists. Yeah, yeah.
So add-on.
Save and
Okay,
run
this
the
is-
script after pacing.
So is it a web app? Okay, this feels okay, Jimmy. I need like a full tutorial. I don't know anything about this. I don't know anything about this. So I need like a full
Yeah.
explanation. I think. I thought it was for the drop down. Let's go back to. Thank you so much for sending it. I
Thank
don't
you, Jimmy.
I don't know really how to run it now. So
Well, we will get it working, but we need to check it out first. So
yeah. But the automatic tree there is really cool.
Thank you.
Indeed. Let's go back to the. So, but Jimmy, if I can ask you, specially, it's the drop down. That's the like the thing that I had in mind. So that this so that the drop down here is automatically controlled by the text here. That would be good. All right, we have all the text in. I'm walking around hot porridge like a cat, trying to find whatever little task
Yes.
to avoid doing the actual work here.
This is Hannes is so good at this as well to try to keep you on track and to say that, okay, Martin, let's do the right things.
Yeah.
Now I'm just encouraging you to, yes, try this one, try it.
Yeah.
Let's do one thing first.
I think anyway I should spend a lot of time in this tab 4 here, the system requirements. Let's start cleaning this.
Mm-hmm.
Let's start actually thinking about each of these for real. So now we're starting, everyone. Now I'm writing the design requirements. The machine shall play music by dropping marbles onto music instruments. Good. I've been thinking if I could conditional format the verification method as well, column, with some, if the cell is empty, we should have the same warning color. Not the text color, I choose the wrong one. Why am I on the wrong one? Done. So again, I chose a little bit of let's choose the same hard orange here. So what's this? Some ghost text here. I've been pasting it. Yeah, that was from my failed pasting tries. I was a little bit scared of this, the orange in the headers. Anyway, so when we add a verification method, the cell turns black.
Mm-hmm.
So we can, like, our work is getting rid of all the orange, basically. The music shall play automatically. It's a little bit of a strange one. I'm gonna The music of the machine shall be programmable by the user. Yes, absolutely. Shall. There shall be 4 separate music programs, A, B, A plus B, and off. The operator shall be able to manually switch between program A, program B, program A, B, program off while playing during a song. During play. During play. I want to be a little bit more formal here. And I kind of want to slide these. The machine shall include a vibraphone, shall include drums, shall include a bass. They're like, I'm going to put them higher up. The machine shall be physically powered by one single person. That's pretty important. The machine shall handle loose marbles without creating floor marbles. It's bad. The machine shall... How do I write that in a little bit of way, better way?
That it shouldn't be dropping marbles on the floor.
Yeah, exactly. This, I think, is actually a performance requirement. Because here is like, the machine shall play music by dropping marbles onto music instruments. Fine, good. It's what we should have. But how well it must performance is how well it must perform. With not creating floor marbles is actually a performance requirement. So let's pull that down to performance requirements.
Sweet.
The operator shall be manually... The music shall play automatically. The music shall play automatically. Something bugs me about that. The machine shall include controls for the operator to manipulate the music. The music shall play semi-automatically, with some functionality done by the machine and some by the operator. That's better. Okay, let's now do the priority of all these. And I see with my eyes that they're all shall. So I'm just going to copy the priority here, shall. And now let's do verification method. I'm gonna paint. Can I paint? Wait, let's go into...
You should be able to paint.
Yeah, I don't know if I can paint over the conditional. Oh wait, I have to stand here, do the paint roller. I can't paint over. So another automation we have to do is that depending on this cell number in structure, this conditional formatting is not going. So we have nice green line here. I think I can do this. Oh, I was on the column, sorry. What? Why can't I do it? Why is it on the whole column. It has chosen. Okay, I don't understand what's happening there. Let's add verification methods. I want to learn how to define verification methods. I don't want to do just ocular inspection on all of them. So we're going to talk to an oracle here to see if we can learn that.
Oracles.
In design requirements, what verification methods do you suggest for the following recs? Keep it short, a few words each. Visual inspection plus functional test. Functional test. User programming test. Functional test. I mean, functional test. I think I can write functional test on all of them. But visual inspection is fun. These are the most common and efficient verification methods: inspection, demonstration, test. Keep it simple like this in your design requirement document. I mean, inspection, demonstration. Demonstration is for the single person. Play timed functional test of all controls. User programming test. Okay, so inspection, demonstration, test. That's really helpful to learn. So I'm just copy pasting them here. We're not gonna say observation. We're gonna say inspection. And then it's different for this powered by one single person. That's demonstration. And I think this one was test. The machine shall include controls, inspection. I mean, this is a little ridiculous. I'm trying to learn here.
That's good. It's looking good.
Test. So we have our first, like, this is kind of the first things that are actually like good, which is nice. I'm super annoyed because when I choose this, it chooses, oh wait, is it because of this? Why doesn't it allow me to? So here I can change. Oh, it goes on the whole. When I hover over this conditional format, because I added it to the column. I'm not allowed to. I need to learn how this works here. It becomes green, the whole column here, when I remove it, so that it removes it for the whole column. I don't want that. I'm going to copy paste this. I'm gonna remove this, and then I'm gonna special paste conditional formatting only.
Yeah.
That didn't work, seems like.
While you do that, I will just read a comment from Scrack here. And wait, since when is there a Wintergatan Twitch account doing live streams? I thought it was kept to only YouTube. And I can tell you that, yeah, we are streaming on Twitch, YouTube, and X right now. And maybe in the future we will be streaming on more channels. We'll see. But those 3 are currently up and running.
Yeah.
So you know.
And we're excited for the future when I actually start to build the machine. We're gonna like stream when I'm seeing plywood, or when I test stuff. I know these streams are very, very special now in the very beginning when I'm just like trying to get formatting of a cell correctly. That's, but we're so happy for everyone, the true ones who are here at this dark age of of the project. But it's actually getting lighter. Now I think I nailed it. I added it to the column, which was some kind of special formatting conditional. So I'm going to try now to copy this, and I'm going to paste not on the column, just the cells. I'm going to do insert, I'm learning about this. Paste special, conditional formatting only. So now we don't have it on these. That looks better. But we do have it here, but now I think I can remove it like... Why? Why?
The whole column is shifting.
Just because I thought this is treated on an individual basis. Super, 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 super annoying. I wanna do this cell. So if I paste...
Only one cell, yeah.
Apply to range. Okay, in here, we have the whole range. Oh yeah, it's... I thought you could do this per cell. Super annoying. Well, I looks like I'm not allowed to paste it like that then. I just have to be careful with how I paste it. It's okay. I'm learning.
Yeah, yeah.
It's annoying, but I'm learning. All right. So let's keep on making these better. So let's keep on doing the functional requirements. We're actually doing the work now. The machine shall switch between different songs in under XX minutes with an XX person team. This is a performance requirement. So let's add it here. Let's move it here, I mean. The machine shall support any timing resolution. Yes. I like that requirement. The machine shall play music with... This should be a performance. This is how well it's playing music. This is actually a performance requirement. It's not a functional requirement. I know what I have in mind. I have the programming profiles in mind instead of programming pins. That's why I wrote this.
Yeah.
So I always think like backwards on this. So this machine shall be able to play music with a granular timing resolution of 10 milliseconds I wanted to write and, but I shouldn't. So we move this to performance requirements. I wanted to say, so it's not limited to a musical grid, but I don't have to, because I already say that here. It's redundant, the explanation. The machine shall be able to perform live concerts. Here we go into super kind of important stuff. The machine shall, but is this a performance requirement? I need a Derek for design requirements that can say like what is most important, because I'm just
Derek,
design requirement. Derek, where are you? The machine shall perform live concerts. Not be able to. That's a proper. The machine shall perform live concerts. The machine shall record studio albums. Shall record studio recordings. The machine shall rehearse. Oh, this is all the modes. I wonder if this. I'm gonna ask the Oracle here. Are these valid recs? If yes, what type are they? No, they are not valid as written. Too vague and high level, not measurable or verifiable. Sounds more like marketing goals. Type, user need objective. Suggested fix, you want the machine shall be capable of performing a 30-minute continuous live music show for an audience of up to 50 people. The machine shall be capable of recording its own output as a stereo audio file. This is ridiculous. Let's move them to user needs. I don't think it's a functional requirement. Let's move them to here.
List is long.
Ugh.
But important.
So what is chat saying? Is anyone solved the drop-down automation thing?
They are on it with the script that Jimmy did, and we will get it working. And if not Martin, I will look at it and be able to implement it. So it's some discussions about that.
Okay.
And then some other nice things. People are here and they are friendly and nice.
Nice.
Chat.
Don't feel afraid for interrupting me with picking some comments up also if you see
Good.
something.
I am afraid, so I will.
You are afraid? No. let them know that. Let them get through to me so they know that I'm also listening to some.
Good.
Some
Sorry.
of them.
Sorry for being the wall here. Chat to Martin. I'm just afraid to disturb.
So I found two good ones. The machine shall inform musicians in what tempo it is playing. The machine shall inform musicians where in the music loop it is playing. Oh, I have one more. The machine shall inform the operator of how much power it needs. That's the height of the Huygens weight. I'm thinking about that there. So these are shall. And what kind of inspection method should we want? Inform musicians in what tempo it is playing. I think that's demonstrate. That's probably a test. Where in the music loop it is playing. Test. The machine shall inform the operator of how power it needs. Test. Okay. Good. So those are all the systems level requirements that I have here. I wonder if where to move on from here. Let's clean up what we have in this list so far. So
sounds good. Cleaning
is good. But then how I'm going to get into actually like actually, I had a spreadsheet sent to me by someone who's teaching design requirements. I'm just going to go and look at that. I'm going to go bring up that spreadsheet. I had it emailed to me. So I'm going to go and download that spreadsheet and show it to everyone.
Good. Meanwhile, I can highlight some comments now. Yeah, there is one from Nanderson. If you had the word perform in perform live concert, it should be performance requirements.
I don't know if that's how it works actually, but perhaps. Paul, requirements, I can help. Please read. See example here, Google Spreadsheets. What happened?
Alfons, be brave like Hannes. Roar when needed. Yes, I need to learn to roar. But it's so nice to just be here and see some careful steps.
Oh, that's in my reply. I'm stupid. So we're going to. It's in Microsoft Excel. I can help. I teach requirements in college. Paul says. So I'm going to try to import in here. I can bring. We're gonna do a blank spreadsheet. Import, upload, browse. It still feels super hard, this for me. It feels so hard. Here we go. It feels really, really hard.
We got a question, but I don't know if it's the right time for this question now.
Try me. I'm not being mega productive as it is, but
will microphone placement amount be a part of the system requirements, or does it fall under a different bracket?
It's a good question from Flatnick.
Yeah.
I'm just going to see. Okay, that looks good. You can leave that question up. Yes, I think. So thanks, chat, for helping me, because
thanks.
So if we work backwards from this question, we want this to stem from a high-level user need. So for example, here the crew here has a user need. Let's not do that. The AV tech. So audio engineer needs. What happened with that? It's taking the wrong formatting here. Audio engineer needs to capture the audio of the machine. So we're saying what needs to happen. We're not saying the word microphones. Audio engineer needs to capture the audio of the machine for studio recording, which is a bit different for studio and live recording. For studio and live recording / amplification. So that high-level user need then flows down. So for the system level, this was a super good question.
Good. Nice.
So for the system level requirement, what it must do, I'm not going to say microphones now here. How can I formulate that? The machine shall include audio recording gear. Perhaps?
Audio recording. Yeah.
Shall include audio recording gear. Inspection. It's high level, so we're keeping it like that. And then in the audio tab, we do have an audio tab. It's going to be more highly defined.
All right.
I don't know if this was well written. Let's see what. Here, by the way, is the spreadsheet. Here's the spreadsheet I was sent. We're gonna have a look at it because it's a little bit different from mine.
Have a look at it.
Is this a system level functional rec? No, this is not a good system level functional requirement. Too vague, not specific, measurable, or verifiable. Sounds like a high level need rather than a clear requirement. This is a vague user need stakeholder requirement. Okay, we already have that. Better version. The system shall include an integrated audio recording capability that allows the operator to record. Yeah, I don't really agree with Grok here. That this is much better. So in your suggestion, you are saying how, example 44 kilohertz. I thought we should only state the what and leave how for separate sections. Clear what only version. The machine shall include audio recording capability that allows the operator to record the machine's live output. I like that. Or slightly stronger. The machine shall be capable of recording its own live audio output. No. The machine shall include audio recording capability. It's like I'm thinking about microphones. Grok's thinking about the thing recording the audio. The machine shall include audio recording. Yeah, I hate this. It's just a waste of time.
No, Martin.
Okay, it's
calm
just
down.
It's I'm spent 5 minutes and then I did it good. We know what we mean.
You're on the right path.
Here's the setup from a teacher of design requirement, Paul.
Okay.
List anything that machine should be do, or the what, not the how. And then domain classification outline. This is our tree here. And here comes the non-functional portability, maintainability, rigidity, safety, the non-functional component MBF, kinetic finger, aesthetics, lights. And the interesting here is that the requirement reference ID in this example is just a list of cascading numbers, descending numbers, ascending numbers. So I was using like the tree structure as requirement IDs. The machine must achieve instrument resonance music via the impact of falling spheres. And then there's a reference C. This is interesting how they reference another. So what happens in 141? 141 marbles. Okay. The force of gravity must be the only means by which any sphere contacts an instrument. Spheres are never projected at an instrument via mechanical force. The machine must continuously recycle spheres. The machine's power to lift spheres is provided by movements of a human operator. The human operator has control of the machine's speed, instrument activation, attenuation, etc. So this is not atomic requirements. There are several ideas in this one. But what I was interested in is this K column with the other idea. Oh wait, use cases. Musician charges the machine in preparation to perform music with the machine. Oh yeah, these are good. These are the modes. Musician interacts with the machine to perform music. Musician halts the machine after performing music. Installing, removes, encodes. Each use case identified above should be fully described in a use case description from as described below. Use case. One or more requirements that this use case addresses. Oh my god. Yeah, this is good. It's making my brain implode. Yes, hurt. Okay. I think there's many ways to skin a cat, and I think I should just move on with what I'm doing here.
Okay, good.
I'm going to take. We have a lot of sketch here. Let's go for the performance requirements. The machine shall play music with a timing accuracy of less than 2 ms standard deviation. Then we get off the XX and the orange is disappeared. And this is going to be verified with a test. And we should do a shall. People think this is too hard. And it's a little bit, if it's not 2 ms in the end, it's going to be fine.
All right.
The programming wheel shall provide highly granular programming timing with a resolution of, okay, that good. I don't think on this high level we should talk about the programming wheel. We should talk about the machine.
Yeah.
The machine shall provide music. Highly is a bad, vague word. Music, timing, programmable music timing with a resolution of less than XX milliseconds. Good?
Good.
It's shall and it's a test. I'm going to pre-write shall and test on everything here. The machine shall switch between different songs in under XX minutes with an XX person team. Perfect. The machine shall handle loose marbles without creating floor marbles. I think Paul had a better. The machine shall cycle marbles. Should cycle marbles. In a loop. Shall cycle more than 1 million marbles at least 1 million marbles in the marble loop before dropping any marbles onto the floor. This is verifiable. We can do it with a test.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm okay with the millionth marble being dropped. Before losing, dropping. Before losing. So annoying. I get stuck in... the machine shall be able to play music with a granular timing. Oh, we have this here already. I said 10 milliseconds here. Let's remove this row. We take the one that I defined instead. Clear row. What happened? Delete row. Delete row. Okay, we cleaned up the performance section.
Good, good.
Let's go to the reliability section here.
Okay.
I'm gonna copy these ones. Do you have any news on the scripting side?
Yes, but I will dig into it now over lunch and get it working. So
Okay.
That's
Okay.
the plan. We will get it working.
Yeah.
But it's there for us, and he have made it work. So we believe in Jimmy.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. But I can really see that. Yeah, I can feel your frustration over here. It's a lot to go through, and it's hard to.
Yeah, the point I want to get to is that where I feel like, oh, this is helping me design the machine.
Yeah.
But of course, I haven't cleaned up the old stuff yet, so it's going to be. I think up here we're doing good. We're actually doing good up here.
Yes. Moving forward.
So, okay. So safety. How do I write a safety requirement? How do I write this rec? Be safe. Better ways to write it. The machine shall be safe to operate. The machine shall pose no significant risk of injury to the operator or bystanders during normal use and foreseeable misuse. That's a good one. The machine shall comply with applicable safety standards. No. But shall pose no significant. And then, so, isn't no significant also vague? This is where I never... Yes. The machine shall not cause injury to the operator or bystanders during normal use. The machine shall present no risk of injury to the operator. Clear and commonly used to the operator or bystanders during intended use and foreseeable misuse. I like that. The machine shall have no exposed moving parts that can cause crushing, sharing, or entanglement injuries. That's all we have. This is all we have on the whole machine. So I'm not gonna take that. But here's an interesting philosophical question where I get pissed off as well. Because the machine shall present no risk. It's going to present a risk.
Yeah. It's hard to be.
So 100%. This is, yeah, we're like, 100%, it's a strong word. We're like lying here. The machine shall...
Nothing is safe.
No, no. Okay, reliability. Let's do that one.
Jimmy is asking a question. Can you remind me exactly what needed to be in the priority section so that I make sure that the script does all the...
Absolutely, Jimmy. Priority has 3 alternatives. Shall, should, and may. And I want them to autofill from the text before here. So if this text says shall, the machine shall switch, the cell to the left of it. If the words shall are here, I want the drop down to automatically choose shall from this drop down. I mean, we could probably program it simpler by just not having a drop down. Let's try a little quick. Here's maybe an alternative way of doing it. If we just have the words, maybe the drop down, because the drop down makes it impossible to have a formula. So I think like if dog is in this cell, perhaps it's easier to get it to write dog as well in this cell, even if dog is in a sentence. So perhaps that's another way to do it. I like the drop downs, but let me try solve that. That's what I want to do. I'm inspired by that. But first, let's take this performance. The machine shall perform its functions without failure during a full live performance. Let's do that one. That's instead of the reliability. The machine shall be reliable by performing so I cycle through all these tabs.
While you do that, may I try to get some graphic working here for us? I want to thank our new backers that you should be able to see on screen now. This is the last 24 hours. We have 6 new Wintergatan backers. And they are called Charles, Solomon, Don, Coplay, and maybe Lars H. And Mikey B, Robert Hersky, and Shindiri. I hope I pronounce your names right. And we are really grateful for you to be here with us. And thank you all. And as Martin told you earlier, the ones that kept on from the beginning and stayed true with this hard design requirement part, they can be at a later stage writing in the chat, I was there when we did the first step. So remember that. This is a really important step. Thank you for being here.
So we have a suggestion. Thank you all so much for joining. We have a suggestion for how to do this in text. Let's try a function here. I'm in the wrong text here. Shall that's my test. And we're gonna change this cell to C24. Yes, haha. Check this out. But I also want that. So now if I remove shall here, or if I spell it wrong, shall disappears there. If I add shall here, shall, it opens there. But can I then add 3 words? The first option worked. How do I change the formula to look for 3 words? Shall, should, may, to look for and replicate 3 words. Let's copy that. Simpler and cleaning version. My top. It automatically picks up whichever returns blank if none are found. Case sensitive matches. Okay, probably I can then add. Let's. I want to add all the versions of cases. Can you make this one non-case sensitive? I know I'm procrastinating now, so here's the lower A to lowercase first. Ah, cool.
We got our friend Martin here again. He's saying that the risk caused by the machine shall be managed, and sending a sweet donation.
Oh, thank you, Martin, so much. Thanks for being here.
And Martin is continuing with his damn battle against me for some reason. He's also gifting one Wintergatan gift membership. So thank you, Martin. Really nice of you.
Thank you so much, Martin. And check this out. Thank you, Martin Molin, because you know what I did?
What?
I did something pretty nice. Now I can write here. I can write here, blah, 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 blah.
Okay.
And this goes empty. If I add should, boom, should.
Ooh.
Let's try asked may. No, okay, so there's a priority. Oh, it said there was a priority. Mm-hmm. If I then ask shall, nice. And now we can do some, I actually solved it because with the drop down I couldn't use a formula. We can actually center this column. Now let's make this nice. Nice.
All right.
And then we can filter on this. I'm happy now. I'm really happy now. Nice. This is what I've been wanting to do. We're gonna then do conditional formatting on this one. Format conditionally. Format cells if text contains shall, then the cell turns red. Add another rule. If it's should, then the cell turns. The colors are so off in when I have the dark reader on. And then we add if it's may. This may be only gonna look bad, but then it's green. So now if I go in here instead of undoing may. Oh wait, I'm wrong. May. Oh wait, it's this one. Why didn't it work? Okay. Oh, what did I do? Shall? Okay.
That's working at least.
Yeah, I think I didn't click done.
Mm-hmm.
Text contains shall. It's sorry for this. Red. Done.
It's important to feel good as well when you do this. So if it makes you feel good, then it's important. Martin.
You're enabling my procrastination here.
No,
text
not
contains
for so long, but
should
for a while.
It's just should. No, I don't want orange. Orange is this. Is this one? We should have now another color. Yeah, should. See, it turns another color. And then we're going to add a third rule. Text contains may. I want a green one. Blah, blah, blah. May. Check this out. Now. Now.
May is green.
Are you ready for some World Championships fantasticness?
I am ready.
Boom. There's only shall so far.
Look at that.
But if I went in here and had written the machine may.
Oh, all right. Nice, Martin.
A little nice anyway.
No drop-down menu. That's more clean.
I think I like the drop-downs, but I think for automating, this was simpler than using a script.
Okay. All right.
So I got it done. Wait. Copy this. Paste. Boom. And it's empty if none of the words are in there. It's just empty, which is actually pretty nice. Then we don't have like an empty drop down.
Good. Okay, what's the next step for you? What do you think?
Yeah, I'm going to keep making these better. We are here, I think. The machine shall be reliable by performing its functions without failure during a live performance. Financially feasible. This is probably not reliability. Oh yeah, we are missing here. I think we should have like we should have categories. Let's not do that. So here's the risk of injury. The machine shall have emergency brakes and safety stops built in. Where do we put this financially feasible stuff? It's like business constraints. I don't think it should be in here. Remove. So yeah, I just keep on cleaning.
Yeah. Sounds good.
The design shall ensure no human limbs are at risk of injury during operation or transportation. So I think we covered that in a really big one here. So let's remove that. The machine shall have emergency brakes and safety, foreseeable misuse. So the emergency brakes is more, I think, of a drivetrain thing. When drivetrain handles risk. So, you know, if we go to the drivetrain here, we're going to have safety here. And I think then we can remind ourselves about the emergency brakes in the drivetrain tab. The machine shall tour for 10 years without a single accident. We already have the safety here. The operator shall be able to... ergonomics here.
Ergonomics for what?
The operator shall be able to play music and control levers comfortably and safely with both hands while standing. Where does this belong? Is it high-level control? Because we have include controls for the operator. I think it's very high-level here. So I think that goes here. The operator shall be able to play music and control levers comfortably and safely. Safely we already have. Comfortably with both hands while standing. It's a little bit of what? Now it's actually a what. So that is verified with a test. And it's a shall.
Oh, this is a interesting message we got from Twitch that Psy-Cat dog sent, and he redeemed channel points so we could highlight his message. So I don't know if we do that, but I will.
Yeah,
I will do it. Do you already have ideas on what songs you will play on the world tour?
Oh, thank you, Spy Cat Dog, for being here so much. I think I will play the original Marble Machine song. I will play some of the old songs from the album, but I want to make a brand new album with at least 10 new songs, bangers, 10 banger music. So I want to play mostly new songs.
Nice.
But of course I'm going to play. And then also on our tour, we always ended with the song Paradise, which is 16 minutes. And after that song, you feel like the concert is over. So I think like ending with Paradise, where I can pretend I'm Tom Morello from Rage Against the Machine by in the end of the song. That's like It's the best feeling in the world. So ending with part of this, if the audience asks us to.
Sounds really good.
Yeah. So thanks for the question.
Thank you, Spike.
Making me dream a bit.
Yes.
Coming out of the. But when I look at this document, it's more beautiful now. You know, actually, what I want to do to make me feel good, like you said.
Mm-hmm.
Here we have a safety risk, and here we have a quality. So I actually want, I want subcategories here. I want. This is I just want some headers. So insert one row below. 4.6.1 reliability requirements. So this should be like a third color. This just helps me think when I do this color stuff. It's something that I keep on apologizing for, because like if I would go in here, I was like, Martin is procrastinating again. And then I'm gonna do safety requirements. So it's subcategory of this one. The machine shall be reliable enough for the operator to sleep at night and take it on tour. We have that requirement elsewhere. Let's remove that.
Good.
During a full live studio rehearsal performance. Probably like if we write these on this page really large, big, probably we don't need a lot of them on this one, but the later, there's going to be a lot on the later tabs. Clean.
Nice. Okay, this is one comment I need to bring up, because it's from my brother.
Oh,
Greetings from Finland.
nice.
Awesome to watch you defeat the monster. Also, really special to see Big Brother working alongside one of my biggest idols. Keep up the good work.
Really nice to see you here, Jonas. I heard that when I started working with Alfons that you were berating him for not knowing everything about the Marble Machine, and I agree with you, Jonas. It was actually very disappointing to find out that Alfons had no clue who I was.
Yes.
Yeah.
I got so much shit. Don't you even know this? Yeah.
And Jonas, I have seen your skiing skills, so let me know that I'm impressed in return. Especially some clothing choices. Fantastic videos from this skiing, like kind of semi-elite level skiing, no?
Ooh, well, maybe some amateur.
Amateur elite.
Still elite. Yeah, amateur elite is a good word.
Really nice to have you here. Constraints requirements. The machine should be mechanical. No electronics for its main mechanical functions. Audio and video are permitted to use electronics. Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
This is... should be mechanical.
Should be mechanical.
Yeah, I think I wrote wrong actually. So look, when I paste this, it turns purple. It turns into should. Our first purple one.
Nice.
But I think I wrote it wrong. I think I want it to be shall, and then it switches. Perfect.
That's really good.
That's not test. That's inspection. Inspection. The programming wheels should not use more material than. Let's do a XX on this because I'm not sure. So that turns orange, and I know we have to go back to it.
Mm-hmm.
And this is actually a should. Our first real should. All right, we're getting into the transportation and logistics requirements. Ludwig made a really good stream about that.
Mm-hmm.
And I think this is really interesting to clean up. Yeah, it feels like I got almost 0 stuff done this stream. But that's a lie. We did get some stuff done.
Yes, yes, yes.
Uh,
Small steps, but it's hard steps, and
yeah.
I understand that you are sitting on ants.
That's
Yes.
exactly the correct expression, Alfons. So I think because we have a little bit of special, different day today, we have some appointments, both of us. So we were talking about doing the stream schedule a little bit earlier. So perhaps we should actually pause for lunch. Alfons, what do you think?
Yes, we could do that. I would really like to show all our backers right now with sign that's keep on rolling like this that you all can see. Maybe right now.
Nice.
Thank you all for being here, and
You can now also subscribe on Twitch. You can join as a patron, and you can join as a YouTube member. We're very happy really appreciate all the support in these hard moments. And I think, yeah, sorry for interrupting you, Alfons.
No. That was
Okay.
exactly the right words. Thank you all. It's hard.
Yeah, I'm longing to get back to CAD.
But you will come. The day will come, Martin.
Okay.
The day will come. Don't you hurry to that point.
I thought you would say, don't you worry, and then you said, don't you hurry, and it was perfect. Don't you hurry, Martin. That's perfect.
One step at a time. And I think it's really important that you have like small tasks before the streams that, okay, I want to do this. Because if you just jump into the whole document, it's or maybe you need to do that, but it's really like many things that gets to you, and it gets overwhelmed maybe.
Yeah. What I can say is that I can end up on a little bit more positive note that everything we're seeing here is actually serious.
Yeah.
It's not sketching. This is actually serious. But yeah, I'm still thinking about like how I start incorporating this in my design solutions. And actually, perhaps that's the perfect for the next stream. If we clean up these transportation requirements, I don't agree with Ludwig that we should fit through 80 centimeter door. I think that's too small. I think most venues that we're going to play is going to have a proper loading bay. So I think that's a dumb constraint. I'm not going to play with this machine in people's living rooms. So I think doing that in the next stream, and then also adding, like Ludwig suggested, adding boxes to CAD here with the sizes for transportation in the master part.
Yeah.
It's a kind of really fun idea to actually start using the design requirements as input to the design. Because if I make it work, but we can't transport it, there's no world tour. So yeah. Yeah, I'm frustrated. Like, I'm super frustrated, but it's you're good at talking me out of it. I should take the little win here that we're on our way.
I need to get going to the studio and lock the doors to all the like building rooms, so you don't run in there and just start building like crazy.
Perhaps
this is good.
Perhaps we can have some like the morning stream is spreadsheets. The afternoon stream is building eventually, or something like that. That's maybe okay.
Yeah, the day will come. You will not be stuck in this thing. And as Paul says here, safety cannot be an afterthought.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true. Thank you, Paul, and thanks everyone for being here and seeing me fight this monster.
Yeah.
Okay. Music request for the intro from you then, Alfons.
Oh,
for the outro, I mean.
Music request.
I know all the songs.
Wow. I was on clouds when you played the Daft Punk already. So That's right up my alley. But maybe
We do that one then.
yes. Retake on that one.
Oh, I forgot it.
Ding 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 ding. Yes. Thank you everyone for tuning in on this stream. And we are really happy that you are here with us. And this beast will get slain someday, and we will get over this first point. Thank you. Now we will get some lunch and have a stream later this day. Take care and see you soon.